How many times are you going to start over? That's what I was asking myself 6 years ago after trying yet another online business course that promised the world and delivered absolutely nothing but a hole in my wallet. I was stuck. I wanted out of the 9 to 5 grind. I wanted to stop working 60 hours a week for someone else and still not making enough to save any money. I wanted freedom, flexibility, and I really wanted that sweet passive income everyone online brags about. But every course was $4, $5, or $6,000 just to learn. Then another couple grand to even get started. I bought several of those courses. What a mistake. I was tired of influencers who never actually did the work. Tired of being told I needed a team, expensive ads, or some niche dropshipping product to build an online business. I just wanted something that made sense, something that worked, a program that was affordable, and one that I could do from home, part-time, even with zero experience. But I couldn't find what I was looking for. They just don't exist, despite what the so-called guru course creators will tell you. So I started my own successful digital marketing agency in 2019. And once it took off, I started looking for a personal side hustle. Knowing there are more than 40 million small businesses in the US, and more than 10 million of them don't have a website, and even more have a website that doesn't generate any traffic or leads, I decided the easiest route would be to use the knowledge, skills, and experience I have in corporate sales and marketing management and web design and SEO to build simple websites in different markets and rent them out to business owners when they started generating leads. And after 6 years of trial and error, learning what works and what doesn't, I created a course that checks all the right boxes and teaches you how to do exactly what I do. I call it Digital Goldmine, and let me tell you, this thing is different. It's a fraction of the cost of the others, but so much better. Believe me, I tried the others. What a joke. What if you could build a simple digital asset in under 15 minutes using AI and rent it out for $300 to $3,500 a month or more without any tech skills and with zero startup costs out of your pocket? And what if you had 5, 10, 15 or more rented every month? Sound too good to be true? It's not. It's happening every day with Digital Goldmine. This isn't just another course. It's a complete business in a box built by digital marketing experts with over 20 years of experience and fine-tuned over 6 years of profiting from this online business model to give you the fastest path to real results. We teach you the 4 simple steps to profit. 1. How to build it. Fast with our AI builder, no tech skills needed. 2. How to rank it, so it gets found by local businesses. 3rd, how to price it, using our exclusive pricing strategy that closes deals. 4th, how to rent it, to business owners who are actively looking for lead-generating assets like this. Local business owners are desperate for more leads and visibility, and we teach you how to deliver results they'll gladly pay for every single month. You become a long-term partner in their growth. And the best part? Once it's rented, you don't have to do anything else. It's an asset you own, and their monthly payments are set up on auto payments, paying you up front every month, every year. If you're ready to ditch the 9 to 5, work from anywhere, and finally build real income and real wealth on your terms, this is your chance. Act right now to claim your spot in Digital Goldmine. Your 9 to 5 escape plan is waiting. Let's build your digital empire, one rental at a time.